Hello, Chris. This is Jay here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for inquiring about this exact very beautiful 2017 Hyundai Elantra. This has the popular winter package with it has alloy rims. You do get, yes, you fit your fabrics on the inside. Along with it, you're going to actually have the oversized display radio screen here that does convert into a backup camera and is Apple Play and Android Auto capable. Now that is the popular equipment package. You got 3 different drive modes. You got Bluetooth for your cell phone and radio controls here. You do have Sirius XM radio, part of your radio package, and we give that free for 90 days. You also got automatic headlights. This is a great car for gas mileage, and it gets 37 miles to the gallon on the highway. So great car, great gas mileage with a great warranty. 5 years, 60,000 miles, new car warranty. 5-year unlimited mileage roadside assistance warranty. We double the powertrain warranty here. No extra cost to you at all. The 20 years, 200,000 miles. Again, no extra cost to you at all. So give me a call, Chris, here at Tameron, 205-280-6250. Talk to you soon.